You get the preview on the right hand side. You can see how your ads will look on the phone or on the computer. You fill in your business name, your headline, business name up to 20 characters, headline up to 25 characters, description up to 90 characters. Put in your final URL where you wish to take your visitor to your website, and then you put in your ad assets. So you need to have some images, and the beautiful thing is the videos as well. So your YouTube video, so your video must be on your YouTube channel, and somebody can play that video within that Gmail ad. So that is the beauty of these ads, which I absolutely love. And then you've got options for catalog images. I personally haven't used these, but it's fairly straightforward. All you do is you upload your images, and then they will come up as a catalog. You create the images over here. Now I have created an ad which I will show you in a second, so you can see how the ads look. The reason why I'm getting a little warning sign is when you put this and you put up as HTTPS, and that's gonna go away then. Don't forget to go in here under more options, because what you can do then is you can customize your brand colors for the button. What was my accent color? I think it was 932C739. Yeah, okay, that's the one. So it changes my the color of my button. Once you've uploaded all these, you are pretty much good to go.